Hey guys, I'm Jeremy Holbrook from Boyd County, Kentucky, and today was the third annual KenDucky Derby. And this is an event that we have right here on the Ohio River at the boat dock of Catlettsburg. Incredible time. What we do, we've got a lot of rubber ducks and we put them in the Ohio River, and thanks to our friends at Marathon, they push the ducks down into our collection and you see it on the tape. But what we do, it's a fundraiser. And people that participate in this fundraiser are local nonprofit agencies. And we have our website, KenDuckyDerby.org. When you register to adopt a duck, you pick a nonprofit that you want to support. So every duck that is sold supports a local nonprofit. And that's why we do what we do. It's not easy in the nonprofit world, and so fundraising is difficult. So we want to try to figure out a way, how can we help every local nonprofit, and the KenDucky Derby was the way that we did it. And this year was the first time that we added the Jeep Jam. What goes better with the rubber duck? Jeeps, right? Because that's what we do. Why do we do it? I don't know. I Googled it once and I forgot already. But it's fun. The rubber duck and the Jeep community go together. And so we're building on this. And next year we've already determined that we're not only going to have a Jeep Jam, but we're going to have a Jeep ride together. And some of the places that we'll stop will be the local nonprofits that we're supporting. And so I encourage you to keep up with what we're doing at KenDuckyDerby.org. Join us next year by even adopting duck, or come down here and visit us in Catlettsburg to have fun with us. Thanks for being a part of this today. We really appreciate it.